In today's video, we're going to look at the merge center function that is in Microsoft Excel. Here in Microsoft Excel 2021, it is this little icon here that you see. So we've got a couple different options now. We're just going to mainly look at the merge and center option, as that's the most common one that people use, and that's one that's available in previous versions of Excel. So let's say that I want to insert a column here. Let's say I want to insert two columns here. One, I want to just put artist info across the very top of this. And then on these, I want to put artist basic info. And then I want to put dates. And then I want to put reference data. Now, what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to display this better. So that's really all this is about. So I want to put across the top here, I want to center and merge it. So you can see again, the center and merge. You can just click here. You can click down too, but you can just click at the top. So that way I can make, this is all the artist info. And then I want to merge these. This is some just basic artist info. I know I spelled that wrong. I've got the dates here. So I want to center that and make that a little bit bigger. So that's 14, that's 16. So let's make both those 16. And then the reference data, I want to merge and center that. And I want to make that 16 as well. So now when I put this into borders, it makes it look better. So it's like, this is all the artist info. This is artist basic info that is here. And then in the next one is the dates and then the reference data in there. So it is a way just to kind of display information a little bit cleaner. And you can use that. Now you can also merge rows. That is an option. So let's say I want to insert this. And that's the nationality. I want to put nationality group. So I want all these to be together. Or actually, let's do it this way. So let's delete that. Let's say I want all these to be into one field. So I want to merge and center that. Now it's going to ask me and say, are you sure you want to do this? It's only going to keep one of the fields. So I want to put yes, because that's fine. Now you see it's at the bottom here, which doesn't look great. I want to middle align this. So this is under the alignment, which is where the merge is as well. I want to put that there. And then let's say I want to merge all the French ones together. So I'm going to merge those and then center that. So, some of these, there's only one British, one Danish, one Estonian, but for the American and the French, it just makes it look a little bit better. You could even do and say, sort this by, you can even say sort this by gender. So, sort that by, so this is a good point. So when you merge fields together, especially with rows, you can't then sort that. Even if you're only sorting the things that are affected by that merge thing. So we would have to unmerge this. So let's do that. Back to home. So I unmerged that. Again, if you drop down, there's unmerged there, but I highlighted that one. So let's say I data sort, let's say by column C. And then let's merge us back together. So I'm going to merge that back together. And then I want to merge the females. I'm going to make that centered. And I want to merge the males. And I want to center that. So again, it just allows you to then break that down. And, we could even sort this by year and merge the years that are like, obviously that's getting a bit overly intense, but this isn't something where if you needed this as true data, you see I've got like an ID in here. This is like true data that we probably want to read and look up to. But if you want just to sort this and then show it in a better way so it's cleaner, it's easier to look at, you could use the merges for that, and it's always a good way to do that. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.